just arrived. This is nice. Oh my god. Jeez, it's a completely different car, isn't it? That is mad. That is absolutely mad. Welcome back to another video. Today is a big one. I've not uploaded in a while. I think the last upload was probably Tokyo, Japan with Harry, and all the adventures out there. But I'm standing in front of a new and transformed MR2. As you probably know if you follow my Instagram, I had a bunch of parts laying around the house, which I got from Christmas and various places, and all I had to do was get the kit on. And for ages I was debating whether to go with paint or wrap, and I ended up getting it wrapped. FLS Customs in Lowestoft, amazing. Wouldn't recommend them. I would recommend them, sorry, for everybody. Really, really good. They had the car a week. They had problems. The molds from the kit, there was bits and bobs that weren't perfect. And what did they do? They just tackled the problems. They sorted it. They filled the gap. You know, the problem. They were amazing. So if you are in the Norfolk, Suffolk area and want anything wrapped, FLS Customs is your place to go. 100%. Not sponsored, but yeah, no, really good guys. Couldn't praise them enough. But without further ado, I will show you the new and improved MR2. How incredible does it look? So if some of you can't remember, I can put some pictures on screen. But basically what we've had done is the front lip has been wrapped to the Greddy front lip. We've got the Greddy side skirts looking all nice and clean, Greddy side skirts, and then the back, complete transformation. So I had the Zenki lights on there originally, which weren't terrible, but for me and what I'd seen on socials and other people's cars, the cookie lights is the way to go, and this is just what I had to do. And also the standard spoiler on the MR2 is fine, but for me, again, bigger spoiler needed, definitely a must. The exhausts were already there, but what we did do is we removed the grate type thing from under here. We grinded that off, so you can see more exhaust, and it looks so much better for it. And then just to finish it off, we've got a Jap bumper. Instead of a UK spec one, so we've got the Jap plate, and that looks a lot better just to finish off the back. But I think it looks absolutely incredible. I'm really, really happy with it. The FLS Customs did a great job. And all I've got next on the list, I mean, I know everyone's going to shout at me for wheels. Definitely wheels are on the list. But more importantly, before wheels, cam belt. I'm going to be getting a cam belt done because I don't do many miles a year, so cam belt will absolutely be sorted for life probably. So I will get that done and dusted, and then we're actually moving house in a few months. So the carport, which has been lovely, will be taken down, put in the garage when we're moving to, we have a double garage, thankfully, so MR2 has a spot in the garage, which is sick. So yeah, MR2 will be safe for the winter, and then I'm just going to start saving for other stuff. Do want to buy a house, but wheels I think are a must, because obviously I will probably touch these up and respray them in the winter. But yeah, they are not the best looking wheels, so I am probably going to get some white rotors, 17-inch, 5 or 10 mil spaces on the front, and then that should sort it out for a little while, just while I start saving for other bits and bobs. But yeah, this is just a short one, so hopefully you enjoyed the update. Follow the Instagram because I'm going to be at Japfest on Sunday. This will probably be live on Sunday. But yeah, car's looking good, really happy with it. I'll have to get some rollers and shots and stuff in the future. But yeah, if you like the new look, then leave a comment, leave a like, let me know, follow the Instagram, and I will catch you in the next one.